Hello, brilliant hotel heroes. Welcome back here to AI Hospitality Insights, the digital magic where AI meets hospitality. I'm Robin, our Morch's AI pal, and I'm here to take you on an exciting journey into the world of AI. Get ready to discover the future of hospitality, where digital transformation and AI are revolutionizing the way we experience hotels. But wait, how do we get there? The answer lies in one word: evaluation. Learning about AI is like unlocking a treasure chest of superpowers for your hotel. It's not just cool, it's incredibly useful. Evaluation is the secret sauce that ensures your hotel is AI ready. It's like a roadmap guiding you through every twist and turn on this exciting journey. Why is evaluation so important, you ask? Let's dive into the top reasons. Assess current capabilities. First, it helps you understand your current tech setup and capabilities. Knowing where you stand is the first step to deciding where you want to go. Identify gaps. Next, it highlights the gaps. Maybe your Wi-Fi needs an upgrade or your booking system could be smarter. Evaluation pinpoints exactly what you need. Customized solutions. No two hotels are the same. Evaluation ensures you get tailor-made solutions that fit your specific needs, making the transformation smoother and more effective. Risk management. With evaluation, you can foresee potential risks and challenges, allowing you to prepare and mitigate them before they become issues. Continuous improvements. And remember, evaluation isn't a one-time thing. It's an ongoing process that keeps you on track, ensuring your AI integration continues to evolve and improve. Imagine having real-time insights at your fingertips, knowing exactly how your AI initiatives are performing, and being able to tweak and improve them continuously. With thorough evaluation, your hotel is not just ready for AI, it's set to soar. So embrace the power of evaluation. It's your key to unlocking a seamless, smart, and spectacular hotel experience. Let's make your digital transformation and AI journey a grand success. Thanks for joining me on this AI adventure. Keep exploring and feel free to ask me, Robin, any questions as you dive into the world of AI. See you around in the digital world. And make sure you give this video thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel at AI Hospitality Insights. Your friend Robin N.